Kaya po, first double wedding po natin. Kaya ako din nagulat kasi dalawang sabay ang ikakasal po natin. Anyway, umpisa na po tayo. Unang tanong. Is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? The kumontra? Wala. Very good. Sige, we are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples, plural, and to ask God to bless them so they might be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given to us for the full expression of love between a man and a woman, so that the husband and wife may cherish each other, delight one another, comfort and help each other in sickness, trouble, sorrow, provide for each other in temporal things, pray and encourage each other, and live together faithfully until the end of your days. Sige, tayo na tayong dalawa. Both couples tayo. Magharap tayo. Hawakan mo na yung kamay. Alvin, hawakan mo. Romel, hawakan mo. Sige. Mauuna yung mga babae, ha? Eliza, April Rose, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service of your husbands to be? Exam. Sige, very good. Si kayo ba, dalawang husband. Romel and Alvin Ian, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and in service of your wife to be?
Yes.
Very good. Sige, mabilis. Anyway, sige. Yung babae muna, yung solid na laki, hahawakan niya yung singsing. And follow after me, okay? Yung Alvin Ian and Romel, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Suot mo na. Naging di babae din. Eliza kin April Rose, alabi. Yan, sabay. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Very good. Dalawa na kayo. Teamwork na nga ito. Anyway, sige. Face each other man din. Ikaw, hindi mo na lang. Sweet. Sige, Dagijay, everybody here. Dagijay parents, namin tayo in wish you. In family members, muna kayo na. Thank you. Ninang, Jocelyn.
So, tingnan sinaragyon na ko hangin kanayon nga ragsak, dapat kitipan no po, kaya sapay ko nga, ang tinanggay kayo mag-asawa. Be open to each other. Nang nagmuna kaligiti pagbirukan nyo o kumaiti kanya-kanya. Magpatakder kayo iti pamilyayo. So, kanya na yung kumang tayo iti Diyos, iti ng babayan. So, yun lang. Good luck.
Thank you. O, Ninang Lydia.
Piligat ko naman, si Kati at Pinulong, niya iti problema yung pats kayo natin at Pinulong ang tawag kayo ito sa ato. Diyos tayo sa naging mga iti tulong mo po.
Thank you. Basta hawak lang. Sige, to the grooms Alvin, Ian, kay Romel, follow after me. I hereby take you. Bagang ginagana? To be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Good. Eliza, Kim April Rose, follow after me. I hereby take you to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Very good. Sige, tata. Muna tayo ito side nga ito. Romel, namin promise mo kini Eliza as a husband.
Promise ko na gagawin ko lahat para sa inyo. Pagmahalin mo pakita ng buo, habang buhay, hanggang pumatay, diba? Yun lang, maraming salamat.
Eliza, ano naman promesa mo kay Romel as a wife?
I promise ko as a wife na mamahalin ko din po siya ng buong buo, ang buong buhay ko, lalo na po ngayon at kami po ay magiging mag-asawa na. At sa hirap at ginhawa, lagi po ako sa tabi niya.
Good. Sige. Alvin, Ian, ano naman promise mo kay April Rose as a husband?
I promise to you, Bakit, na sa hirap at ginhawa, lagi mo akong andadya at tataabay mo, gana mataytan ko. Sapay ko mga nanyaman ti pagsubok na may kanya ka,
Kaduan na.
at dahan to ng talisibay ko. Alamidot amin nga kabalak, may raos tati, panagbiag tati. Ayun lang.
Very good. Sige, April Rose, as a wife, ano naman promesa kay Alvin, Ian?
Promise ko kanya na talaga at ipaghiya ka hanggang matay ka.
I love you.
Sapay lang kung makaya ka hanggang kayo pagsubok.
Very good. Sige, huwag naman ng iba na. Pinch each other. Okay? by the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines. Calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you man and wife. You may now kiss the brides. Sige. Double kiss. Kasi na picture. Pwede ka sabay-sabay. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Naala na. Ito yung kaya. Napicture na. Okay. Napitness na shoot. O, dininang apa nito isa ko. Pag nag-witness na yung pirmada. Yeah.
Awat di botan mo may sa Messi.
Ang kanya boyfriend.
Dito ka ate ah.
Sige.
Iyan ko pala di di anak. Kuya ni di ba? Botan.
Signature naman pati lang.
Signature lang. Isoro mo Daisy.
Four times or 4 times?
Kaya nga baru kan balasan ang debirmaan niya. Hindi kontra ka na.
Double congratulations. 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 Okay, picture taking tayo. Ito sa ako lang. Carlo? Yan.
1, 2, 3.
Ganda si face mask?
Mainit.
Oh, with the parents and sponsors. Sige, sige. Oh, sige. Di couple-couple lang kita tayo man.
Sige oh.
Sabay. Diyan mo dyan na. Na-sweet. Yan. Yan. So, sabay kayo ba't nag-propose? Kasi?
Nagtulag na yun eh.
Doon na daw eh. Celebration. Sabay tayo. Sige, Ter. Sige, Ter.
Picture po. 1, 2, 3. Ano po?
Iraman mo yung soda niyo.
Sige, sige. Opo. I-post mo yan. Ano yung website?
1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3.
Di ko kanya-kanya muna. Sige, buwan na pinag. Dito lang na lalaki pala. Oh, yan. Best friend talaga yung Pepper. Oh, yeah, yung two girls mo, dito mga babae.
Ang kasinsin naman sir.
Okay lang. Oh.
Wala, may sarili lang.
Oo, sige. Oo.
Naginarakot kayo mag-ato. Sige. Comment niyo ako.
Oh, 1, 2. Oh, sabay lahat. Ano man? Sabay buntis, sabay kasal. Very good.
Para sa sabay ng tumayag pabinyang sir.
Oh, naparbanta, mas mura na naman, yung Pepper. Oh. O, Jay, duwa kayo lang. Jay, may isang kakapon. Oh, Gamili mo na ito kasi. Yan. Okay. 1.
One, two, three. Sa baba. 1, 2, 3.
I-fix naman lang ni Sir T pagkalaan po.
Oh, next.
Makita ko lang yung nakalagay.
Agad ang poster ko.
Sige.
Gamili mo. Yan.
1, 2, 3. Sa baba. Sa baba.
Oh, congratulations for that. First double wedding. Thank you. Sige. Ay, ano niyo?